Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pin these folders, Windows folders on quick access. As you can see in here, there is no videos folder, and how to pin it to appear in here in the quick access menu. Just go to this PC and then choose the file that you want to pin. For example, I'm gonna pin videos folder and then right click on it and then click on pin to quick access, and then this folder is gonna show up in here. The same thing you can do with other folders in here. For example, music folder, right click and then pin to quick access, and it's gonna show up in here. And if you want to hide some folders in the quick access, I'm gonna leave a video that I already explained this method below in description. Check it out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.